I made this entire FIFA World Cup 2026 trailer using just one AI tool, and every single player stayed perfectly consistent from the very first shot to the last. No timeline editing, no complicated video software. I literally created this entire cinematic trailer just by having a conversation with AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So let's get started. The tool we're using today is Flova AI, specifically its video agent. You'll find the link in the description below, and you can sign up completely free. Once you create your account, you'll receive 100 free credits to get started right away. And here's something I really liked. By simply exploring Flova and completing a few onboarding steps, you can unlock another 200 credits on top of that. So you've got plenty to experiment with before you spend a single penny. Once you're inside Flova, head straight to the AI video agent. This is where you'll build your entire project, from the first idea all the way to the final trailer. You can start with a simple idea, a complete script, or even a detailed production brief. Flova's video agent analyzes everything you give it and starts building the entire production automatically. Before generating the video, make sure your goal and storytelling are clear. For this project, I already prepared a detailed prompt because, as a football fan, I wanted everything to feel authentic. So I included things like character consistency, team uniforms, cinematic pacing, camera language, emotional moments, and much more. Now I'll simply paste the prompt into Flova's video agent. You can also upload your own images, videos, or audio as references, but for now, I'll skip that part and click Generate. The first thing Flova does is analyze my instructions. It understands the overall idea first, then automatically starts building the production plan. Within a few moments, it creates the full storyboard, the director's brief, and all the production specifications for the trailer. One thing I noticed is that the total duration is around 90 seconds, but I actually want a 1-minute trailer. So instead of editing everything manually, I'll simply tell the agent, I want a 1-minute trailer instead of 90 seconds. And that's it. Flova instantly updates the production plan, trims the trailer down to 60 seconds, and restructures the storyboard to match. Once everything looks good, I'll simply tell the agent, go ahead. Now Flova starts generating all the storyboard images based on the production plan. All right, all the images are ready, but then I remembered something really useful. Flova also supports reference characters, which means I can actually insert myself into the trailer. So I'll upload my own photo and send a simple instruction. I'm uploading my own character, and I want him to be the captain of Team A. Within a few seconds, the agent understands exactly what I mean and replaces the previously generated captain with my uploaded character. It even generates a football uniform that matches the rest of the team surprisingly well. And here's something I really like. Flova saves this character as a reusable asset, so if I create another trailer in the future, I can use the same character again without uploading everything from scratch. That also makes it much easier to maintain character consistency across different shots and even future projects. Next, Flova asks how I'd like to set up the character voice anchors. Since I'm creating a cinematic football trailer without dialogue, I'll simply skip this step and move straight to shot generation. Within a few minutes, all the cinematic shots are generated. And honestly, they already look really impressive. But I want one extra 15-second cinematic football sequence to make the trailer feel even more dramatic. So I'll give Flova another prompt describing the exact type of shot I want. As soon as I send it, the agent understands the request and generates a beautiful standalone cinematic clip. Now we're in the final stage. I'll simply tell the agent, go ahead. Flova automatically generates 4 different cinematic music options that fit the mood of the trailer. I'll choose the one I like the most. Then I'll give one final instruction. Please do the final edit and assembly. And that's it. Within a short time, Flova assembles everything together and generates the complete trailer timeline. One thing I noticed though was that the standalone cinematic clip I generated earlier wasn't included in the final edit. But that's actually very easy to fix. I'll simply tell the agent to update the timeline and include that missing shot. Within a few seconds, the timeline refreshes, the new clip is added, and the final edit is ready. Once everything looked good, I exported the trailer. Let's watch the final result.
1 minute left. Everything on the line.
That honestly turned out even better than I expected. The pacing feels cinematic, the camera movements flow naturally, and the music really helps build emotion throughout the trailer. But what impressed me the most wasn't just the video quality, it was the entire workflow. Instead of jumping between multiple AI tools, Flova helped organize the story, generate the storyboard, keep my character consistent, build every shot, and assemble the final trailer, all inside one workflow. That made the whole production process feel much faster and much easier to manage. And the best part? You're not limited to football trailers. Just update your story, swap the characters, or even change the genre completely. Whether you want to create a movie trailer, an anime opening, a product commercial, or something entirely different, you can follow this exact same workflow. After testing it myself, I can honestly say Flova's Video Agent is one of the most interesting AI filmmaking tools I've tried recently. It doesn't just generate videos, it helps organize the entire creative process from your first idea all the way to the final edit. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. You can sign up for free, get 100 credits right away, and unlock another 200 credits by exploring the platform. And now I'm curious. Let me know in the comments below, what kind of cinematic trailer would you create?